I made this rack in Ableton for generating random UI sound effects like these. It's super simple. All it's made out of is an operator patch with noise and sine waves with short envelopes. For post, there's roar for distortion and comb filtering, and the magic is really a grain delay. Then we have some light EQing, a utility for controlling the stereo width, and then finally a limiter. All you have to do is hit the random button and generate new sounds every note. You can download it now at Cure.audio for free. We also have a huge free pack coming very soon that you'll want to grab, so make sure to follow us.